Lyme Disease by Lena Parker, Jack Nanny, and Caroline Coleman.
Lyme disease is the pathogen-caused disease. It is named Lyme disease because the first cases were discovered in the town of Lyme, Connecticut.
Ticks such as black-legged ticks, American dog ticks, and deer ticks are the most common carriers of this bacteria that causes Lyme disease. Because the disease can be transmitted by animals such as ticks to other animals such as humans, it's called a zoonosis.
The tick bites into the live host and the bacteria is injected immediately into the bloodstream. The bacteria moves quickly and multiplies and soon enters the cerebrospinal fluid and can affect the central nervous system.
Now let's take a look at the specifics of this bacteria. There are 3 bacteria that cause different strains of Lyme disease. They're all types of Borrelia bacteria. This type of bacteria is spiral-shaped and called a spirochete. This bacteria has internal flagella and is gram-negative, meaning it turns bluish when dyed by a special process. Additionally, this bacteria is anaerobic, meaning it does not require oxygen. A rash called erythema chronicum migrans forms around the site of the tick bite. It often looks like a bullseye, and about 3/4 of Lyme disease patients get the rash. The rash can also spread to other sites on the body. This is the most common and recognizable symptom of Lyme disease.
Once the bacteria is in the body, it acts immediately in some places, but often remains dormant in others. It wages a typical bacteria attack on several parts of the human body. For example, it attacks the central nervous system, eyes, joints, and heart. The initial bacteria attack can lead to flu-like symptoms such as fever and fatigue.
Arthritis-like pain in the joints is common because joint tissues are one of the most common tissues affected by the bacteria. Additionally, the heart is affected, and also the brain tissues are often attacked, causing lethargy.
Most Lyme disease cases are found in colder climates, such as New England and the northeastern United States. It has also been found in many countries in Europe and like Russia. It occurs in over 65 countries worldwide.
Oral antibiotics, or occasionally intravenous antibiotics, usually lead to rapid and complete treatment of Lyme disease. Some people, however, can have a form of this illness called post-treatment Lyme disease syndrome, or chronic Lyme disease, which may be treatable through antibiotics but is much more tricky. Prevention by immunization. There was once a vaccine to immunize for Lyme disease, but it was discontinued due to lack of interest. Additionally, this vaccine loses power over time, so many people that had received the vaccine are no longer protected against Lyme disease.
Only you can prevent Lyme disease. Use bug spray when you're going to places with a lot of ticks. And don't forget, check for ticks regularly.